Welcome back, everyone, to the Diaspora Wealth Activation Series. I'm Malik.
And I'm Tasha. Today we're continuing our conversation about financial education and building long-term wealth.
So far in this series, we've covered some powerful topics.
Right. We talked about why banks always seem to win, the financial education gap, the difference between income and assets, and yesterday we explored the power of leverage.
Exactly. But today, we're going to talk about something that many people don't think about until it's too late.
And that is financial protection.
Because building wealth is important.
But protecting what you build is just as important.
Let's start with something interesting. Many people focus only on growth.
Right. People want to invest, start businesses, increase their income, build assets.
And those things are great goals.
But what many people forget is that life can be unpredictable.
Exactly. Unexpected things can happen.
Health issues, accidents, job loss, family emergencies.
And when those things happen, they can disrupt someone's financial progress.
Which is why financial protection is such an important part of a strong financial plan.
So Taylor, when we say financial protection, what exactly do we mean?
Financial protection means putting strategies in place to protect your income, your assets, and your family from unexpected risks.
Think of it like the safety system in a car.
Exactly. The car helps you move forward, but the safety features help protect you if something goes wrong.
Some common forms of financial protection include things like emergency savings,
Insurance protection,
risk management strategies.
and even legal planning like wills and estate planning.
All of these tools exist to reduce financial vulnerability.
Let's pause for a moment and ask our listeners something.
Yes, this is a good moment to reflect.
If something unexpected happened tomorrow, would your family be financially protected?
Do you currently have an emergency fund?
Do you have a plan that protects the income your household depends on?
Take a moment to think about those questions. This is something people don't talk about enough.
When people know they have safeguards in place, they feel more secure.
And that security allows them to make better financial decisions.
They can focus on building assets, pursuing opportunities, and investing in their future.
Without constantly worrying about financial collapse if something unexpected happens.
One of the most important ideas in finance is building a strong foundation.
Right. Imagine building a house.
You wouldn't start with the roof.
You start with the foundation.
Financial protection works the same way.
Before aggressive growth, it's wise to build stability.
When people have protection in place, they can pursue opportunities with more confidence.
This is something people don't talk about enough. Protection creates peace of mind.
When people know they have safeguards in place, they feel more secure.
And that security allows them to make better financial decisions.
They can focus on building assets, pursuing opportunities, and investing in their future.
Without constantly worrying about financial collapse if something unexpected happens.
Financial success really comes down to balance.
Exactly. Protection provides stability.
Growth creates opportunity.
When those two things work together, financial progress becomes sustainable.
And that's why many successful businesses and financial institutions focus on both growth and risk management.
Let's ask our listeners another question.
What step could you take this year to improve your financial protection?
Maybe it's starting an emergency fund.
Maybe it's learning more about financial planning.
Or simply beginning to think strategically about protecting your income.
Today, we talked about something that many people overlook: financial protection.
Building wealth is important.
But protecting wealth is just as important.
Because true financial stability comes from both growth and protection.
If this conversation helped you think differently about money, share it with someone who might benefit from it.
Thanks for joining us today.
And we'll see you in the next episode.